Zimbabwe National Army ZNA commander, Lieutenant General Asha Tafmane, retired from the military in 2004. He was a colonel, having come from a medical services ancillary unit, hence left as brigadier general. As per Zimbabwean military tradition, which is part of the law, Tafmane got a notch up to retire as brigadier general. Zarapina mashikobuda pangwena tiona kuti the news ox panguva inoyo ichiexplaina the rise of Lieutenant General Asha Tafmane and the recent appointment as the ZNA commander. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamobra yukamjinzi in Zimbabwe, as in many countries, commissioned officers are entitled to be promoted to the next higher rank 6 months before their retirement, and they retain that rank after. The policy is established in the state services, pensions, Uniformed Forces Amendment Regulations 2020 number 17, and is often referred to as a tombstone promotion in a military context. The President, as the Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, has the authority to make such promotions as a reward for distinguished service. Tafmane, like many others, benefited from that, so he retired from service as a colonel, considered a ceiling for medical staff corps in some armies, and became brigadier general just before or after that. In most modern militaries, officers in the medical corps do face a practical ceiling on their rank, and are generally ineligible to become army commanders because they are categorized as staff officers rather than line officers. Combat role. In the United States Army, for instance, the highest rank a medical officer typically attains is Lieutenant General, 3-star, held by Sergeant General. In time, Tafmane did some military courses and training, and hence joined the mainstream military command element. However, even when he lacked combat experience, which is critical element of becoming commander of ZNA and ZDF, so Tafmane was recently quickly maneuvered up and appointed ZNA commander to replace General Emmanuel Matatu without requisite combat experience. Matatu is now ZDF commander, having replaced retired General Philip Valerius Vanda. While it is possible for an army commander to have units and still distinguish himself, it is rare. Some commanders succeed through staff work and training, but combat experience considered a critical, often irreplaceable, requirement of leadership and a critical test of a military doctrine and equipment in combat. After retiring in 2004 as Brigadier General, Tafmane joined the Central Intelligence Organization in 2005 and served until 2009. During that process, he rose to the position of CIO Assistant Director. Though mashoko anobuda panguva ine anotsanangura the rise of ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Asha Tafmane. Kindly watch our next video. I will continue the story of his rise until panguva ino ava the commander. Bina comment section medu zafungura eni moti kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Someone subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.